Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Curtin's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking one of my personal favorites, spaghetti and meatballs. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. First thing you want to do, gather all your ingredients. We're going to need salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, basil, some roasted garlic and herb seasoning, cayenne pepper, breadcrumbs. I like to use a combination of panko and Italian. We need about 4 tomatoes, 1 large onion, 1 garlic, and of course you need your beef. You can also use, if you want, pork or chicken or turkey, whatever meat you want to go ahead and use. Alright, let's get started, guys. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start preparing for our sauce. First thing we're going to do, chop these tomatoes, onion, and garlic up. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get a large pot. Get it on some high heat. Go ahead and put your oil in. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and start with your garlic. Go ahead and add your onions. Okay, got your onions in there. We're going to cook these about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Let those cook up, then we're going to add our tomatoes in there. Alright, those onions are looking good. Grab your tomatoes, throw those in there. Make sure you get all that juice from your tomatoes too. Alright, stir that up. Alright, let those cook up. Come back, add the other stuff in there. Alright, those tomatoes are good. We're going to go ahead and add our salt. Salt. Black pepper. Cayenne pepper. Roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Garlic powder, paprika, smoked paprika, our basil, and our parsley. Alright, go ahead and give that a stir, and then we're going to throw our water in there. Oh yeah, that smells delicious. Go ahead and grab your water, 2 cups, right? Tomato sauce, tomato paste, alright, after you do that with your tomato paste, go ahead and fill up the tomato paste jar with some water. Alright, go ahead and pour that water in there. Give it a final stir. Now we're going to bring this to a boil and then turn the heat down to very low and let it start simmering. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on these balls. First thing we're going to do, put 2 eggs in there with the beef. Grab your salt, shake that up. Black pepper. About ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Do paprika, that's about a tablespoon. Alright. Garlic powder, also a tablespoon. Cayenne pepper, this is about maybe 1/8 a teaspoon. Can't go too spicy for the kids. So just a shake of that. Go ahead, grab your roasted garlic and herb. If you don't have this, this is optional. You don't need to put it. I like it. Grab your parsley, basil, alright, Parmesan cheese. Go, grab your breadcrumbs. Do ½ a cup of Italian breadcrumbs and ½ a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Alright. go ahead, get your hands dirty, mix in here. If you don't want to use your hands, use a spatula or a spoon. It's up to you. I'm gonna use my hands. Let's get started. Alright, we got that all mixed up. Our sauce is boiling over here. We're gonna go ahead and turn it down to very low and put a lid on it. And then let's go ahead and get started rolling these balls out. Depending how big or small you like your balls, go ahead and grab how much meat accordingly. We like about 1-inch balls. Not too big, not too small. So that's what we're gonna work with. I just like to put them all in a rough shape first. Alright. Lay them out on a clean counter. Alright, so got your balls in a rough shape. Say that seriously. Got your balls in rough shape. So, you roughly shaped your balls. You're gonna go ahead and grab your balls in your hands. And we're gonna roll them. Want nice round balls. Sometimes they turn into spaceships. We don't want that. We want round balls. Alright, so just go ahead, go through them all. Again, this is about 1 kg of ground beef. Turned out to about 20 meatballs. Usually I double that. Usually we're doing about 40 meatballs for the 4 of us. Me, my wife, the 2 kids. It's one of my favorite meals. How about you guys? What's your favorite meal? Leave a comment below. Alright, we got those balls all rolled out. Let's go ahead, throw them in the pot. Put them in there like that. Just go ahead, give the pot a little wiggle. Put your lid back on, and these are gonna cook about 3.5–4 hours. So it's a slow process, but they're gonna be delicious. All right, we'll let that do its thing. All right, you just wanna check this every once in a while, give it a good stir. Oh yeah, coming along nice. Been simmering only about 30 minutes now, but we're just gonna give it a stir. Alright. Go push the meatballs back down there. Put your lid back on. Okay, so our meatballs are going to be done in about 20 minutes, so we're going to go ahead, start our noodles. Let's go ahead and give the meatballs a stir real quick. Oh yeah. Okay, give those a stir. Put the lid back on. Okay. You want to go ahead and boil some water, and then we're going to go ahead and cook our noodles up. For us, we're going to use angel hair. You can use whatever noodles you like. The kids prefer these. I prefer these. Just let those boil. Angel hair is about 5 minutes, and they'll be done. Alright, these are looking done. Perfect. Go ahead and strain those. Meatballs are almost done. And then we can eat. Alright, so these are smelling phenomenal. We're just gonna go ahead and give the meatballs a taste test. So we're just gonna grab one. Alright. Blow on it, it's very hot. Good to go, let's bring these over to the counter. Check that out, huh? Alright, let's serve this up. Go ahead, give it a stir. Alright, there you have it. Kain na. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you get notified every time we release a new video. Leave a comment on this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you love spaghetti as much as we do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.